Select Grades at the top of Schoology and select Grade Report. The Grade Report displays a breakdown of your grades for each course. Click a specific course to view each graded item, your grade, the max points, and any comments from your teacher. While most teachers will use our student information system, Aspen, to record attendance, some teachers may use Schoology. In the attendance area, it will display a record of the days you were marked absent, late, or excused. Teachers can also leave comments, which will appear in the comments section. You can communicate with your teachers inside of Schoology using the Messages area. To send a message, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to your Messages area by clicking the envelope icon at the top menu. 2. Click New Message. 3. Enter the teacher's name in the To field. A list of users will automatically populate as you type. Select the teacher from the list. Enter a subject and message. Add optional files, links, or resources. Finally, click Send to complete. When you have a new message in your inbox, the message icon on the top menu displays an updated number. Navigate to your Messages area by clicking the envelope icon on the top menu. Click the message you'd like to read. New messages have an indicator to the left of the message. To reply to a message, enter a comment in the Message area and click Send. To check sent messages, navigate to your Messages area by clicking the envelope icon on the top menu. Click View All. Select the Sent Messages tab. To read a message, click on the message you've sent in the past. Notifications display course events in chronological order, as well as requests to RSVP calendar events. New notifications requests are indicated by a number on the bell icon. Clicking a notification or request will allow you to view the related content. To search for your teachers, courses, and groups, use the magnifier icon in the top navigation bar.